So I don't know about you, but I am personally ready for summer to begin. So on a more serious note, we here in the UK can obviously get very sporadic summer, but the sun has been shining, it's a beautiful day, and so I thought I'd share my top 15 picks for summer sewing patterns with you. So these are all women's sewing patterns, but I thought this would be a really interesting video for people to kind of explore different patterns, explore different options, and see if they can make something they've seen in the shop they like for themselves, and maybe try out something new. So let's get started. So the first on our list is the Reef Curve top and short set by Megan Nielsen. So this is a really beautiful set. You can wear it as pyjamas if you really wanted, or you can wear it out to the beach or in the garden or on a nice beautiful sunny day. And it's really easy, it's really simple, there's nothing too dramatic, frilly or complicated about the design, and it's really nice put together, and you can wear it as a cord set, you can wear them separate with other pieces, and I think that's something I really like, is that you can make it to match, but then you can also make it to match other things in your wardrobe. So this is a perfect set if you, especially if you like to wear something pretty simple, you know, that's going to be able to breathe with you in the hot weather. So check out this pattern, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Let's move on. Number 2 is a Speedwell Swimsuit by Mood Society. So this is another free pattern if you're looking at getting a free pattern. It is a swimsuit. If you're thinking of being a bit more daring with your sewing this, you know, summer, if you wanted to try something new, challenge yourself, this is perfect. It's really beautiful, it's really simple, and even if you wanted to make it into a, because it's a bodysuit basically, if you want to make it in bodysuit material and just wear it with a nice little pair of shorts or even a skirt, you can do that. It's completely adaptable. It doesn't have to be a swimsuit. So even if you want to adapt it into a bodysuit, go for it. It's a beautiful design. It's really nice, and I think it could look beautiful in this weather. So number 3 on the list is the Salts Romper. It's by Mood Society again, so you know it's going to be awesome, and it's really cute. It's got a little like sleeve, you can have that on, you can take that off if you really wanted, but it looks really nice with this little like puff sleeve and a little cuff at the bottom, and it looks like the perfect thing to wear to an afternoon drink, to the pub, in the beer garden, or even a ladies' lunch, or whatever you wanted to wear it for. Even if you go into the park with the kids, if you want it to look nice, it is really cute, really practical, because it is short, so it's really easy to move in, and it just looks really nice. I think you could make this in some really nice tropical colours, or like a coral pink would look really good. You could find all sorts of different prints, and I think it would look awesome. So number 4 is a tiered dress by This Is Catchy on Etsy, so I'll leave a link to the pattern below in the description. But this is something I've seen so many people wearing, these tiered dresses, making DIY videos of them. Mine's a little bit of an example of that. And so I feel like they're really interesting. People are really wanting to wear them. The bonus is they're really loose. They're really kind of easy to put together, and so they're perfect for hot weather. You know, especially if you don't like having your legs out. If you kind of want to have be a bit more modest, or you just want to wear something longer, it's perfect. It is a really nice dress. It's really stylish. It suits a lot of body shapes, which I also like. So this is a perfect summer make if you're looking for something a little bit longer, a little bit more coverage, but still wanting to feel really summery. So number 5 on the list is the Stevie Dress by Tilly and the Buttons. Excuse me. So you can't go wrong with Tilly and the Buttons. She's got plenty of patterns, and she's creating more for us now. And so there is plenty to choose from, and you can kind of adapt a lot of these into summer winter kind of things. So, you know, you can add tights or leggings to certain dresses, you know, jumpsuits you can add a sleeve to or not. So I feel like they're very adaptable patterns. So the Stevie is probably one of the best, if not the best, Tilly and the Buttons pattern, and is widely loved and so popular. So I thought it was only fair that it got added to the list. What I like about the Stevie is it's not fitted. So it's very nice and loose for all those barbecues that you want to go to. It's nice and loose for the hot weather, so you don't have to feel like it's been, you know, your fabric's sticking to you. You can make it in a number of fabrics, so even if you wanted to make it into a linen or even a cotton or, you know, something else, it's really adaptable to that. And it's also great for a number of body shapes, and you know, if you're tall, you can make it for you. If you're short, it will suit you. So I like how adaptable and how universal this pattern is for a lot of people. I also like this pattern because you can dress it up for an evening or you can dress it down, so it's a little bit more basic and everyday. You can even add some pockets in there, you know, try and make it as versatile as possible, because every girl needs a pocket in their dress. I love pockets in my dress, so if there's anything we know, we love a good pocket. So I feel like you can really go to town on this, make a couple in different kind of fabrics and sizes and even like lengths maybe, and I feel like you could have a really good staple wardrobe for summer. Number 6 on the list is the Lunar Tank by Helen Closet Patterns. So I've never used a Helen Closet pattern before. I've browsed many of them in my time, but I've never physically used one yet. This was one that was recommended me by a friend, and they love this because they can make it in different lengths. So the Lunar Tank is a nice soft jersey kind of tank, so you can use it in a thicker jersey if you really wanted, but for summer you're probably going to want something a bit lighter. And it's really good if you just like stretchy clothing, you like something loose and easy to wear. I know this feeling, especially in hot weather, and I don't like things really like sticking to me. I don't like to feel like I'm like overworked in fabric. You really want something breathable and easy. This is also great if you are on holiday and you're heading to the beach and you just want to throw something on over your bikini or over your swimsuit and just head off and have a nice time. I also like that this isn't very dressy, so it's very much like a day-to-day top, so you can make a couple of these in different colours and you've really got a nice kind of like stash of these at hand ready for you to just throw on and go and enjoy the day. So number 7 is the Barton Dress by Peppermint Magazine. So you know me, I love a good Peppermint magazine. This is a free dress, obviously. I'll leave the link in the description, so make sure you check that out. This is another tiered dress, but with a little twist. It's not as long as the previous one, and it's a little bit more, looks like a vest, so it's a little bit more basic. It's not as like stylish, or it sounds wrong to say stylish in that way, but I feel like it's a bit more in terms of age range. It fits on a wider age range of people rather than just like a narrow age. Because I feel like there's certain, even me now, I'm hitting almost 30 and I feel like there's certain clothes that I can't wear. So I like to go for certain things that I know that I'm going to be comfortable in. So this is an alternative to the first tier dress if you are looking for one but not quite in that style. You're not looking for something as long. This is a really good option, and it's a really good different one, and it's free. So again, what I really like is that you can really adapt this into different fabrics. So if you like wearing really colourful prints, go for it. You know, obviously they've already made it in a colourful print and it looks awesome. So I feel like you can really adapt to this. You can even add a little cap sleeve if you're interested, if you don't really like the top of your arms all that much. There's things you can do if you want to kind of add to this. Because Peppermint Magazine's like patterns are really kind of simple and straightforward, they're really easy to add and adapt. I find them really easy to kind of hack and change things. So if that's what you want to do, go for it. I feel like this is a really good pattern to do that with. So the number 8 on the list is a Mrs. dress with a sheared bodice by Simplicity. It is a Cynthia Rowley, but it's actually produced by Simplicity, and the number is 9141. So you can find this on Minerva, eBay, Amazon. You'll find it in a number of different places if you're interested in this pattern. But I really liked this because it was similar to what I was trying to create with my dress that I'm wearing today, with the little tie sleeves at the top, like little tie straps. But this has got a sheared top, so up until probably about just under the bust, maybe just between the bust and the waist, it's a sheared bodice, so it's like stretchy. So if you're looking at trying out shearing, go for it, try it. It's really quite simple once you get into it, and I've seen plenty of videos and blog posts, which I'll try and find a link to the best one and I'll put it in the description for you. So if you're looking at doing shearing, you can check that out and maybe have a little bit of a heads up before you get started. So again, it is a tiered dress, but I thought it was different because of the bodice, especially if you are wanting to feel a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more comfortable. You don't want anything too tight or restrictive to your body. If you don't want to include a zip, because I hate doing zips, I can tell you now, hate doing zips. They're like something that really gets to me. I don't know why, I just can never seem to put them in. So if you want to avoid zips altogether or fastenings altogether, go for a sheared bodice. It will win every time. It's also great because if you are, like me, in the middle of your pregnancy and you're trying to find clothes that will fit you throughout summer during your pregnancy, I'm expecting to grow much more than I am right now, so if this would be perfect for me because it's got a lot of room in there for me to grow. If you somebody just likes to be comfortable, I am that person again, pregnant or not. I like to be comfortable in what I wear every day, so this would be perfect for me because I don't feel restricted and I don't feel like I'm irritated by anything, and it's just a lovely make. Number 9 is the Q dress by Nina Lee. So this is a really cute like little tea dress, as I would call it. It's really nice and simple. It's really cute. You can make it in any kind of fabric, any kind of print, and it would look really nice. I really like that this is adaptable again, so you can dress it up if you're going out somewhere nice, or you can dress it down with a nice little pair of sandals and a bag if you're just going to like a barbecue or a friend's house. And I also like the detailing of the button down front. I think it's really nice and simple, but really adds to the dress itself. And I like the little cap sleeve. I like a nice little sleeve that's not too invasive, not too out there. I don't really like anything that's really out there. So for me, this is really nice. And I also think that you can make this in pretty much any size, even make it a little bit longer in the length if you really wanted. And I think it would still look really beautiful. So number 10 is the square neck top by Friday Pattern Company. So most of the garments have been kind of dresses, so I thought I'd throw in a top because sometimes you just like to wear a top and jeans, top and shorts, or even a top and skirt. So this is a really nice loose fitting top. It's really kind of like, it's got some sort of fit. You can tuck it into shorts to make it look a little like baggy, a little bit like edgy. But if not, just wear it as it is and it will look nice. It's nice because it can be made out of a linen fabric, which is obviously perfect for hot weather. And so I think this could look really nice with a cute little pair of shorts and some sandals and your sunglasses, and off you go. So number 11 on the list is my Assorted Dress by Deer and Doe. So I originally got this recommended to me because it's also great for maternity wear, but once I saw it, I thought it was perfect for this video because it is so damn cute. It's a beautiful dress with I love the little ruffle on the sleeve, even though I'd probably leave that off because I am not a ruffle person. And so I really like the really simple detailing of the front into the V, and then the nice like tiered skirt. And I just thought it was really nice because it's something you could really dress up, really dress down, really use it as a versatile piece within your wardrobe. You could even use it within winter time if you really wanted, if it was in a certain kind of like colour or fabric. And you can add it to some tights or some leggings and kind of wear it through winter as well. I even think it could look really nice for workwear if you really wanting to go that far. If you really want to make the most of the pattern once you've bought it, I feel like you could do a lot of things with this pattern, and I think it would look great in a number of different colours and fabrics, and I think it would look awesome this summer. So number 12 on the list is a pocket skirt by Peppermint Magazine. So I'm not often a person who wears skirts, I'll be honest. I'm not really bothered for them. I prefer trousers or shorts. But I thought this was a really nice, simple skirt that I think a lot of people would enjoy making. Really simple, and it's got 2 pockets on it. Bonus pockets. And it's got a elasticated waist, so I think it's really easy for anyone that's a beginner looking to get into sewing and looking for something obviously summery to sew. So if you are a beginner, I think this is perfect for you. And you can make this in a number of fabrics again. I think it looked really nice, but they've shown it in kind of like a linen kind of fabric, which I think is probably the best for summer. But, you know, change it up, see what you fancy, see what works for you, and see how you get on. Number 13 is the paper bag shorts by Mood Society. So these I feel are very inspired by the paper bag trousers from Sewing Bee this season. If you've not watched Sewing Bee season, I won't do any spoilers or anything, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. And so when I saw these shorts, I thought they were perfect to add on to my summer sewing pattern list. And I feel like these are sort of style that have kind of generally been around for a few years now. They're definitely a pattern, you know, they're definitely like a style I've bought in shops and tried to make myself. So I feel like they're definitely still in there. I still feel like they're very popular with people wanting to wear shorts that aren't too tight, or they want to be in a different kind of fabric to denim. So these are perfect for that if you're looking for a pair of shorts to go along with the top that you might have made from earlier. So these are really nice, really simple to put on and wear, and these could look beautiful in any kind of scenario, and I think they'd just be great for this summer. Number 14 is the Poppy Dress by Mood Society. Again, this is another free pattern, which is awesome, perfect. And if you're looking to go somewhere a little bit more posh, you really wanted to splash out and make something nice, or if you're going to a wedding or even the races or anything like that, this is beautiful. It's stunning, and I don't know if I'll ever get to make it and wear it, but it is beautiful. So if you're looking for a bit more of a showstopper piece this summer, this is definitely the dress. You can just dress it down and put it with some sandals and wear it to a barbecue and look the best dress there, but you can also dress it up a little and go to a wedding and still look the best dress there. So for me, this is like the showstopper summer piece on the list. It is lovely, it's beautiful, and I think someone, you know, anyone can look beautiful in this dress. And number 15 is the little puff top. I'm always making clothes on Etsy. So I found this on Etsy. I struggled so much to find one of these tops, like a sewing pattern for one of these tops just from anybody. I didn't realise it was so hard to find. I didn't know if I was just searching the wrong thing, but eventually I found one on Etsy and it's got such good reviews. I thought I'd share it because I feel like I've seen a lot of people wear these. Personally, I went to my niece's birthday at the weekend and both of my sisters had a similar top to this on. So they're definitely out there, they're definitely popular, and I've seen them everywhere in the shop. So I thought this was a really good addition to the post because I feel like if you are looking for the styles that are currently in, this is definitely one of them. So I thought it was perfect to add to the list and enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found a wealth of knowledge and some fun summer sewing patterns to try out. Make sure that you leave me a comment because I want to know what you want to know about sewing. If you need to learn anything, can I help? If you have any good video ideas for me that you want to watch, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.